Hello, welcome to the bass lick in every key series. In this series we are taking one lick or one part groove and running it through all 12 keys. It's a great way to truly master it, building your technique, improving your ear and getting comfortable all over the fretboard. So let's get started.
Dominant chord, lick number 6. With the starting point for the C7, I wrote from...
You can find the full version along with an explanation on my Patreon. Come, be a part of it. I would love to share more with you.
Now it's your turn. Enjoy. See you in next video.